This is 6 Minute English from bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello, I'm Rob. Welcome to 6 Minute English. I'm joined today by Finn. Hello, Finn.
Hi, Rob.
Today we're talking about high-speed train travel. Many countries have very fast trains that whisk people from city to city in super quick time.
Yes, we might think that air travel is the transport of the future, but it seems high-speed train travel is becoming just as popular.
Now, I've travelled on high-speed trains in Japan, the Shinkansen, and I have to admit, it's an exciting experience. Very comfortable, and you get to see things out of the window.
Well, we'll be finding out why the UK is hoping to jump on the bandwagon or do something that is already popular by building a new high-speed rail line, and we'll be learning some related vocabulary.
But before we set off on the right track, how about a question?
Hey, why not?
Well, here goes. Which country currently holds the Guinness World Record for the fastest train running on a national railway system? Is it A, France, B, Spain, or C, China?
Rob, I think they all have fast trains, but I'm going to say C, China.
OK, I'll let you know the answer at the end of the programme. Back to our discussion about high-speed rail travel. We know that it has many benefits, good things. It helps to take traffic off the road. It causes less pollution, it can transport or move lots of people, and it's quick.
Yes, speed is important. Now, the TGV, or TGV, train in France takes about 3 hours to travel over 750 kilometres from the capital, Paris, to Marseille in the south. It's very impressive.
And the AVE, Spain's ultra-modern high-speed train, stole 20% of the national airline's customers when it started a service from Madrid to Barcelona.
But the UK has been slow to build such high-speed rail lines. It has one from London to Paris, but the government wants to build another one called HS2, connecting London to the middle and north of England.
The Transport Secretary, Patrick McLaughlin, thinks one line is not good enough. What word does he use to mean the UK must have another high-speed line?
I do find it ironic that I can go from London to Paris or London to Brussels on high-speed trains, but I can't go from London to Leeds or London to Manchester or London to Birmingham. This is essential to actually make sure that our great cities are connected and we get the right benefits for the United Kingdom.
So, he finds it ironic, so different from what you'd expect, that he can get to Paris by train more quickly than he can travel to many British cities.
He used the word essential to mean a new line to connect British cities has to be built. It would connect the northern cities with London, cut journey times and stop overcrowding. That's when there are too many people on one train.
But plans to build HS2 are controversial. Not everyone agrees, and there is much discussion. Some say other areas of the country will miss out on the economic benefits.
And it will be very, very expensive to build. Although some experts say for every £1 spent, it will bring £2 into the economy.
There are also concerns that some of the countryside will be destroyed. So, these are just some of the arguments, and it could be a long time before a final decision is made.
So, for now, we'll just have to accept that our trains in the UK will carry on at a sedate speed while we watch with envy as another country's high-speed train passes us by.
Yes, but which country's train is the fastest?
Yes, earlier I asked you which country currently holds the record for the fastest train running on a national railway system. Is it A, France, B, Spain, or C, China?
I said C, China. And I was wrong. OK.
The record actually belongs to France. It ran a modified version of its TGV train on its network at a speed of 574.8 kilometres an hour.
That's 357.2 miles per hour.
Impressive maths.
Very good. I wouldn't like to be standing on the platform as that went by really fast.
Indeed. That train ran on a railway track, But a train that uses magnets to float above the track is being developed in Japan that will run at a slightly slower speed of 500 kilometres an hour. OK, Finn, there's just time now to remind us of some of the vocabulary that we heard today.
We heard to jump on the bandwagon, on the right track, benefits, to transport, ultra-modern, ironic, essential, controversial, arguments, sedate, and envy.
Thanks, Finn.
Thank you.
We hope you've enjoyed today's programme. Please join us again soon for 6 Minute English from BBC Learning English. And don't forget to check out our website too at bbclearningenglish.com. Bye.
Bye.
That was 6 Minute English from bbclearningenglish.com.